In one prompt, I just built a complete responsive landing page with working forms and animations, created a functional web app, and designed marketing posters, all using one tool. 30 people, $1 billion valuation in just 6 months, taking on Google and Microsoft. Meet Genspark, Silicon Valley's first AI agent unicorn that just launched the next generation all-in-one AI workspace. And today, I'm going to show you the 3 features that actually changed how I work. And honestly, some of this blew my mind. So let's dive in. Alright, so if you haven't heard of Genspark, here's the quick version. It's not just another chatbot. It's what they call a super agent platform. Think of it like having an entire creative team at your fingertips. One platform where you can build websites, design slide decks, create and edit images, and so much more. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool? Really? Trust me, I get it. But here's what makes Genspark different. Instead of switching between ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, Gamma for slides, and 5 other tools, everything lives in one place. And the wild part? They're offering unlimited usage of AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. We are talking GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.5, Flux, Nano Banana Pro, all the top models, unlimited access. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 features that I think are absolute game changers, plus a bonus feature at the end. Let's start with AI Developer, and this one genuinely impressed me. So let's say you need to create a landing page quickly. Normally, you'd either hire a developer, which takes time and money, or you'd use a no-code tool like Webflow, which still requires a lot of manual work. With Genspark's AI Developer, you can just describe what you want and it builds it for you. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to test it with this prompt. Build a landing page for a SaaS product that helps remote teams stay productive. Include a hero section with a headline and a CTA button, a features section with 3 key benefits, customer testimonials, and a pricing section. Make it modern and professional with a clean design. The primary color of the project should be black. Okay, it's processing. And what's cool here is it's not just generating code. It's actually thinking through the structure, the design, the user experience. Alright, it's done. Let's see what we've got. Wow, look at this. Clean hero section, clear call to action, features laid out nicely. The testimonial section looks legit, and the pricing cards are actually pretty well designed. Now, here's the best part. This isn't just a mock-up. This is a real working website. I can click these buttons. Everything is interactive and functional. And if I want to deploy this, I can just grab the code and host it wherever I want. But let's say you want to make some changes. Maybe you don't like the color scheme. You can just tell it, change the color scheme to blue and white and make the CTA button more prominent. Look at that. It updated it in seconds. The whole thing is now blue and white, and the CTA button is bigger and more eye-catching. This is insane. What would normally take hours or a few $100s to hire someone, you can do in 5 minutes, and it looks professional. Right here at the top, we have several tabs you can navigate through. Preview, which is the current tab you're seeing now. Next, we have the File Explorer, where you can access all your project files such as HTML, CSS, and other assets. From here, you can also download these files. Then we have the Database tab. At the moment, there is no data stored here. And after that is the Publish tab, where you can publish your project either for free or connect it to a custom domain. The cool part is, here in the chat section, you can invite team members and collaborate with them in real time. Alright, next up, and this is where AI Developer really shows its power. We are going to build a fully functional web app, not just a static landing page. So let's say you need to build a task management app, something simple but functional, where users can add tasks, mark them as complete, and organize their work. Normally, this would require a developer. It would take days or weeks, and it would cost thousands of dollars. But let's see what Genspark can do. I'm going back to AI Developer, and this time, I'm going to give it a more complex prompt. Build a task management web app. Users should be able to add new tasks, mark tasks as complete, delete tasks, and filter between all tasks, active tasks, and completed tasks. Make it clean and modern with a good user experience. Okay, it's processing. And what's interesting here is it's not just creating the front-end design. It's actually building the logic, the functionality, the interactions, everything. All right, it's done. Let's test it out. Look at this. Clean interface, simple design. Let me add a task. Finish YouTube script. I'll hit enter and boom, it's added to the list. Now let me mark it as complete. It actually marks it as done with a strike through. Let me add a few more tasks just to show you this actually works. Record video, edit footage, upload to YouTube. Now I can filter. All tasks shows everything. Active tasks shows only the incomplete ones. Completed tasks shows what I finished. And I can delete tasks too. Watch this. Click this icon on one of these and gone. This is a fully functional web app. The buttons work, the filtering works, the data persists while you're using it. And I built this in literally 5 minutes. Now obviously, this is a simple example. If you need to build internal tools, MVPs, prototypes, or simple web apps for your business, AI developer can do it very fast. And remember, you've got access to the file explorer to see all the code. You can set up a database if you need data persistence. You can publish it to share with your team or deploy it to put it live on the web. If you're a startup founder who needs to move fast or a product manager who wants to test ideas quickly, this is incredibly powerful. All right, third feature, AI Designer, which is Genspark's design tool for creating marketing materials. So you'll see this interface with tons of templates, posters, flyers, product designs, menus, coupons, social media graphics, wallpapers, logos, etc. It's basically like having Canva but powered by AI. For this demo, I'm going to create a few marketing posters. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to prompt design a poster for a tech conference happening in Dubai. Make it modern, professional, and eye-catching. Include the conference name, Future of AI Summit, the date, March 15, 2026, and the location, Dubai World Trade Center. Okay, it's processing. And what's cool is you can see it thinking through the design choices, color palette, typography, layout, all of that. All right, it's done. Let's see what we've got. Wow, look at this. Clean, modern design. Great use of typography, the colors pop, and it actually looks like something you'd see at a real conference. Now let me try another one. This time I'll create a product poster. I'm going to say create a promotional poster for a new smartphone launch. Make it sleek and premium with a focus on the product. Use dark colors and modern design. And look at this output. Sleek product shot, premium feel, great contrast. The best part, you can iterate on these designs just by telling it what to change. Don't like the color scheme? Just say make it more vibrant. Want to adjust the layout? Just describe what you want. You can edit the text right here by selecting the poster you want to edit and hit edit text. And you will have the option to edit all these texts. You also have access to a few useful tools like background remover, magic eraser, image expander, etc. And when you're done, you can download these in high resolution for print or digital use. All right, now it's time for the bonus feature, the AI super agent. And this is what ties everything together. So the super agent is basically Genspark's brain. Instead of just calling one AI model like ChatGPT, it intelligently decides which tools and models to use based on your prompt. Let me show you what I mean with a complex task. I need to launch a new product next week. Create a landing page, a pitch deck for investors, and product mockup images. The product is a task management app for remote teams. Okay, I've submitted the prompt and watch what happens. The super agent is analyzing the task, breaking it down into steps, and deciding which tools to use. It's using AI Developer for the landing page, AI Slides for the pitch deck, and AI Image for the product mockups. This is what makes Genspark different. A few minutes later, we have a complete landing page, a full pitch deck, and multiple product mockup variations, all from one prompt. This is the future. Instead of having to think about which tool to use, which model to prompt, and how to stitch everything together, the super agent just handles it. So is Genspark perfect? No. But is it one of the most powerful all-in-one AI workspaces out there? Absolutely. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can try it out for yourself. And honestly, even if you just use it for one or two of these features, it could save you a ton of time and money. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorials. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.